Everyone's fighting over the same crowded affiliate marketing niches: weight loss, crypto, dating, gadgets, etc. But while thousands of affiliates are battling for scraps in these markets, a small group of very smart marketers are quietly becoming millionaires in three completely different niches that no one's talking about. And I've spent the last 6 months researching these hidden opportunities, and in today's video, I'm going to reveal to you 3 of them and exactly how you can tap into these markets yourself and start earning affiliate commissions immediately. Now, these niches are so underserved that even complete beginners can start seeing results in this within weeks. So let's get into it. Now, the first hidden niche is air purifiers. Now, this niche is kind of interesting because it's actually a $16 billion per year market. Now, what I love about this niche is it's so easy to freak people out and make them scared of the air they breathe. And there's a lot of fear going on in society right now. Now, the demographics for this are actually pretty easy to see. And what we'll do is we'll pull up one of our AI agents that's in my mentorship program and have it give us the audience demographics, and it's very accurate. And what we'll see is this is called pre-prompting within ChatGPT, and what we're having it do is we always have it give us the customer personas first when we're getting marketing copy out of it, so that we can get a higher quality output when it actually creates an ad. So what we'll see here is we have an allergy sufferer, right? A suburban mom. And again, she cares about allergy and her kids, right? That's an angle. Your kids are dying breathing dirty air, right? That's a very easy angle. That's the biggest fear in this niche for moms worried about their children's health, right? They'll spend any amount of money on products if they think it'll make their children healthier, right? We have urban apartment dwellers, right? Folks that just stay inside all day and live in cities. So again, air quality problems, wanting to have something that's low energy use, right? Those are features he'll care about, etc. And then we have older folks who care about their health. Again, the older people are, the more susceptible they are to disease. Therefore, products like air purifiers and breathing unhealthy air and all these different angles around health and dirty air are just really easy to hit home with an older demographic. Now, some of the affiliate offers in this niche, you'll have to be subscribed to CPA networks and be a already successful affiliate. And if you aren't, I'll give you an offer towards the end of this video that you will be able to promote no matter what experience level of affiliate you are, if you are not even in an affiliate network yet. And what we'll see here is these are some offer cards for Air Ego and a couple other different air purifier devices, and what we're seeing is payouts in the range of $46. So, you sell this, you get one person to click your link and buy the product, and you'll earn a cool $46 commission. You sell a couple of them and, you're making an all right income. Now, the promotional strategy I use in selling air purifiers, whether you're using a video as an ad, you can use a short landing page, or if you're going straight to the offer, you want a longer video ad, or you want a long blog post, news article, whatever you're posting up. But you want to make fear about health the main core focus. I throw this up on Facebook ads. You see this working very well on Facebook. You see this working very well on native. You see this working very well on Google. Literally anywhere people are breathing air, and you have a demographic of either if moms use the platform, if seniors use the platform, you're going to do very well and people will buy these products. It's a huge market, folks. The second hidden niche in affiliate marketing is walk-in bathtubs. Seriously. And I'm going to show you a really funny ad about this that's massively broad and big, but this is an absolutely killer niche. I personally know some folks making hundreds of thousands of dollars a month as an affiliate in this niche. And what we'll see is it's a pretty big market, right? We see the walk-in bathtub market is almost $1 billion a year. I'd actually estimate it's much bigger than that. And it's exploding right now during these kind of hard times. Now, I believe this niche is very overlooked because most marketers and most folks that are working with technology live in a bubble and don't understand that a lot of folks that are seniors or veterans or, have some sort of disability are, a serious problem is falling in the shower. And a lot of people die each year because they fall and they can't get up and nobody's there to take care of them because a lot of families don't live with each other anymore. Now, the customer profiles of folks that are buying walk-in bathtubs, again, we're going to go to one of our AI agents in my mentorship program that's specifically designed around helping folks market in this specific niche. And we call this agent Naiad. Again, an older woman that's looking to be independent, scared of slipping and falling. The daughter of an older lady who is concerned about leaving her mom and worried she will fall in the bathtub if she doesn't use, one of these walk-in bathtubs. And then we also have Bill, a veteran with limited mobility. Again, just maybe he has a leg blown off or something, and he needs help with the bathroom. And as you see, these agents build out the Facebook ads and all this other stuff. And we see here's a picture of a walk-in bathtub. Now, this image needs to be repurposed a little bit to plug and play on a Facebook ad. But as you see, all the copy is already built out. The best traffic sources for this offer are going to be, again, it's very broad, and almost any platform that you advertise on, whether it's Meta, Google. I would stay away from younger platforms such as Quora and Reddit, but any of the major ones, right? Rumble will work for this. Any place that's very big and broad, Instagram, Twitter, etc. You can make a lot of money. And here's a couple of the offers, and here's some of the payouts that people are actually seeing in this niche. So here you see on a CPA affiliate network, which again, you have to have experience to get into, we're seeing a cool $29 for Elite. Okay, this is for a customer's information. We're seeing some pay-per-call offers in this niche as well. We can see payouts of $2 to $30 for a lead. Again, interest just for somebody filling out their contact information saying they are interested in having a walk-in bathtub installed or their bathroom remodeled or what have you. And then we have a program here, Independent Home Referral Program. You can go to the website, Google it, and you can see, you can refer people to this, if refer is the same thing as affiliate marketing, and earn $250 per person you refer. So as you see, these payouts range all across the board, but you can market this niche very easily. I'm actually going to show you a funny ad that was showing up on TV just to see how this is marketed. It's very cute. So that, there's big companies spending millions of dollars a month on TV to advertise these walk-in bathtubs right here. They're hiring celebrities. This is a major company named Safe Step, and they do installations around the nation. And as you see, this is how it's being marketed. Older folks, with limited mobility, being able to be in a walk-in bathtub and not have to worry about slipping and falling and dying or whatever that is. And here's some actual affiliate ads for walk-in tubs, walk-in showers, etc. Now, the third niche that folks are making a lot of money online as affiliates right now is actually very interesting. It's AI money, and it's making money online. And the reason I believe this is because there's a global economic crisis going on. A lot of economies are collapsing. There's a lot of job insecurity, and remote work has been normalized, yet a lot of those folks are getting pushed out or being told to come back in the office, and they want to have another option. And AI is just constantly in the news for various reasons. If you want to promote an AI money offer, you can join ClickBank or Digistore for free and find my product, find my offer, the AI Marketers Club. We're paying 75% plus commission. And as you see, these are the average payouts for my offer. You can earn a cool $43 on average on ClickBank and $28 on average on Digistore. People are always looking for a way to make money online, but who are these people? How do we zero in on it? I'll actually just use our AI agent that we created for marketing in this example. So here we have, it gave us a few different examples, which are very spot on. We have a corporate assistant, Sarah, who aspires to have a side hustle, doesn't like her job, doesn't see a scalable income path, doesn't want to do OF, and she wants to learn how to work with AI, right? We have the next persona, which is the burnt out affiliate marketer. I would modify this a little bit. I would say more of a burnt out e-commerce marketer or drop shipper. There's a lot of folks I've been coming across recently that have just been crushed by all the things going on in the market that really make it hard for drop shippers to make a lot of money. And in this case, Kevin, what are his problem pain points, right? He's tried affiliate marketing before, but failed. He didn't know how to do it, right? He feels overwhelmed by tech. He's, getting awful results with SEO, and he wants to learn something else, right? And then we have persona number 3, which is the young guy, Raj, the opportunity seeker. I would say that the demographics even go older into the 40s and 50s here because there's so many folks getting laid off or watching, just seeing their income go away, their savings go away for various purposes. People will always want to make money on the internet and not go into an office, but where do you find them? You're right, on the internet. It seems like a silly question to me, but I'm just starting with a quick, let's look. A quick Google search shows that you can find them really anywhere because these are big niches, and I like marketing big niches. But a couple good key, very targeted places is if we do this Google search, how to make money with AI, right, we see Reddit come up very fast, and that's absolutely a great place to market this program, okay? Because again, folks on Reddit are, tech forward, they're interested in AI generally speaking, and they're still trying to actively earn income. Then we have YouTube, the second result, and this is again a very good barometer of what works, right? I'm on YouTube, talking about AI, and a lot of other folks are on YouTube trying to figure out how they can make money with AI, okay? So putting up YouTube videos, shorts, etc. are going to be very helpful in this niche. And then we have other places like Quora, right? And we see Quora right here. Quora, again, a very sort of a platform that caters to more tech-savvy folks, shows up well in SEO, and you can simply answer questions and post your affiliate link in the answer and start earning money. Now, it's good to know about all these hidden niches, but knowing about them is just the first step, right? To actually profit from this information, you need a system for entering these markets and scaling quickly before they become oversaturated and competitive. So I've created a complete blueprint that shows you exactly how to dominate these hidden niches using my marketing system. It's the same approach that I've helped hundreds of my students go from zero to over $1,000 a day with. And if you want it, there's a link somewhere in the description. It's called the AI Marketers Club. Now, these markets aren't going to stay secret forever. So the time to act is now, and the time to join a community of folks, a digital gang of people making money on the internet and constantly adapting through our weekly live group webinars, which, I'm actually going to be hosting one of ours later today, is right now. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for the support.